Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Microsoft SQL Server onto your macOS. So you can download the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio directly onto your macOS. So first of all, we will be installing the Docker, and then we will be installing the tool called Azure Data Studio to run the Microsoft SQL Server. So first of all, let me just simply download and install the Docker. So for that, just go to your browser and search for Docker and just go into this first link from docker.com. So if you just go into this product, so you can see the Docker desktop. So here you can see the option for downloading for Apple chip. So since I'm using the MacBook M1, so if you're using the Intel, so you can just go with that as well. So I will be just downloading this desktop version of Docker. So once this DMG file is downloaded, let me just go into the folder, and if you just double click onto this DMG file, so this will open the installer. So you can just simply drag and drop this Docker into the applications. So once this is done, so this will install the Docker into our application. So if I just go into the Launchpad and search for Docker, so you can already see the Docker sign here. So now this should open the Docker. Just click on the open. So here you can see the Docker is opening successfully, and here you can see the container and images. So we will be now installing the Azure Data Studio. So for that, just go into the browser again and search for Azure Data Studio, and just go into this first link from azure.microsoft.com. So you can just click on download now, and if you just scroll down, so you will be able to find the option for downloading for macOS. So I will be downloading for Apple Silicon again. So once this zip file is downloaded, let me just go into the downloads folder here, and if I just double click onto this zip file, so this should extract this Azure Data Studio. So let me just drag and drop this into the applications. And if I just go into the Launchpad and search for Azure Data Studio, so just search for Azure Data Studio. So this should open this Azure Data Studio as well. Just click on open. So this is also opening. So once this is done, so now we just have to create the container for Microsoft SQL Server. So for that, so I will just provide this command. So here you can see the command. So MSSQL password codewitharjun 123. So you can just put your own password, and you can see the user SA. So let me just simply copy this command, and let me just open the terminal, and let me just paste inside here. So here you can see, so this is saying unable to find it locally. So this is downloading it. So let's wait for it to complete downloading. So once this is downloaded, if I just now check onto this Docker desktop, and so here you can already see, so this is in use and this is running. So here you can see, so this is running here. So once this is done, so now we are able to connect our Microsoft SQL Server. So for that, we just have to go into this Azure Data Studio. So here, let me just make it bigger, and let me just click on new and click on new connection. And here, so you can just give the name of the server, something like localhost. And so here we just have to choose this SQL login for authentication type. And here we just have to give the username, which is SA. So here you can see we have given the username SA, and the password, so you can just simply copy it from here. So whichever you have the password, so let me just copy it from here and simply paste inside here, and remember the password, and click on connect and enable trust server certificate. So you can see, so this has connected successfully. So now we can create the database and table as well. So let me just simply click onto this new query here, and here, so now we can create the new table. So let's create a new table. So just type something like create table, and just give the table name something like employees, and inside here, so just give something like username, and just give the varchar something like 50, and we can just also put not null. So just type not null, and similarly we can just put the email as well. So just type email, and again give the varchar of 100 length, and just type not null. And so now if I just click on run here, so you can see the command completed successfully. So once this table is created, so now if I just click onto this connection here and click on localhost, click on databases, and here on system databases, so you can see the master, and here you can see the table employees has been created with the columns username and email. So now to insert the data into the employees table, so you can just simply type something like insert into employees, and just type the column username comma email, and just type values. So So just type values here, and below here, so you can just simply type John, and here just keep comma, and also we just have to provide the email. So just type john@gmail.com. So now if I just give the semicolon, so you can just simply select this and click on run. So you can see one row affected. So now if I just click onto this employees table and click on select top 100, so you can already see, so the data has been successfully added. So this is how you can set up the Microsoft SQL Server onto your MacBook. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.